Hello and welcome. My name is Hayden. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Alpha Impact. We're very excited to be with you this evening, and it's actually very exciting. It's been quite a long time, and we've been building for many months. So we're very excited to be launching the Alpha Impact beta program, and I'm going to be telling you a little bit about it today. So a little bit, I wanted to give you a little bit of details about Alpha Impact, Austin, my co-founder, and myself, and we're supported by a great team. A little bit about me. I'm sure most of you know me, but some of you may not. So my background, I'm a lawyer by training, spent several years living in New Zealand. This is actually my fourth startup and my second one in crypto. And my background is really in the crypto space on the investment side. And this is my first foray into a retail facing business. Most of my previous crypto roles have been in institutional facing roles. But I think there's a really important problem that hasn't been solved by crypto. When we think about the problem that existed in 16, 17, and 18, it was really about access. It was very challenging at that time to get access to cryptocurrencies. And that problem has largely been solved. So the problem we face today in crypto is really this issue of what to do. People know how to get crypto. You can buy Bitcoin or buy Ethereum. But then, similar to today, we've had just to give a quick example, we've had a massive run up since the 11th of July, and now prices have come crashing down. And there's a lot of people out there wondering, what should we do next? So the goal for us as Alpha Impact is to try to help provide the solution. And our solution is very straightforward. Our platform combines the best of what we see as two worlds. Number one, an amazing social media platform that gives everyone the ability to find and follow a top trader, learn from a top trader, and gives the new traders out there a way to really grow and build their following. The second part of what we have is our copy trading platform, which allows our customers to copy the portfolios of top traders in real time. So I've introduced myself. That's Alpha Impact. Austin, my co-founder, is not going to be with us this evening. He's been on several other videos, and he's actually busy in the other room leading a very important tech program that we're launching. So, which is of course the Alpha Impact app. So that's a little bit about what we've been up to. And the product roadmap that we envision is in the short term. Um, Sorry, let me just check. Sorry, just coordinating here in the office. So the roadmap that we have envisioned for the next little while is first and foremost, our beta is live right now, and we're going to be sharing a link shortly that's in the comments section where you're going to be able to sign up. All of our customers today get access to everything that we have for free. And I just want to tell you right now, we're going to start charging very soon for this. So if you want to get access to some of our top traders, please go ahead and sign up today. Customers who actually want to link their exchange accounts and become a top trader can join our trading competition. And we have a $10,000 trading competition. That's the registration period is underway now. Next up for us after this short period of beta, which is a signals only product, is going to be our copy trading, which is coming out in a few weeks' time. So we see that in the first half of November. We're very excited for this. I can see here if you sign up at app.alphaimpact.fi, you can use the referral code launch8. We're going to be giving you a little bit more detail very soon. So let's do a quick poll. Let's go to the audience and we're going to ask a question. And we're going to ask you, let's go to that slide, please. We're going to be asking you, what do you think the BTC price will be in December? Okay, so the BTC price in December, on December 31st, what do we think the BTC price will be? So is below 65K, B is 65 to 100K, and C, I'm not sure if we can all see that, it's 100K plus. So let us know in the comments. We'll give you a moment or so to answer. I'm going to be telling you what I think and why. So just let us know in the comments. Okay, we're seeing some C's and B's. Okay, well, let me tell you my personal view. My personal view, December 31st, I would say it's a C. Um, and I look very closely at the options market, and the volume in that market has really been heavily centered around 120K, 100K, 120K, a little bit more open interest at volume at the 120K level. So December 31st, I'm expecting a price of around that area. So let's move on. We have that. There's lots of B's and C's. So my personal view, as I mentioned, based on the options market, is C. So let's go back and let's talk a little bit about the problem and solution that we're solving here at Alpha Impact. Staying hydrated, very important, of course. So the problem, as I've mentioned, has been that we here at Alpha Impact, Austin and myself and most other people on the team, we have a team of 11 now here in the office, although many working from home. The problem that we've seen when we started investing in crypto is this problem of the signal to noise ratio being so high. And so, what we mean by that is that when you buy crypto, it's a very volatile journey. Remember, crypto's open 24 hours a day. So, this is not a Monday to Friday, 9:30 to 4 environment. So, we've actually seen that entering the crypto market is very, very difficult. And so, this is a little bit of information about the growth of crypto. Okay, so I apologize. The orange bits that you see on the top left and bottom left on the screen, we cannot remove. So I'll just kind of narrate this and go through. So we've seen that crypto has grown 100%, this is a projection from Pantera Capital that crypto trading will grow 100% year on year from 2021 to 2026. Since 2017, the spot trading market, so that's one of the key metrics in crypto, has grown 3,300%. So that's somewhere around 800% annualized. And the last one, and so we've seen that there's been a very high amount of growth in the crypto industry. And so with this growth in crypto trading, entering the market is extremely challenging. We've seen that there's been a 706% growth just in the past 12 months here in APAC. So it's very challenging to enter the market. And the reason it's challenging is because there's so many different sources of information. Sorry, we're just troubleshooting something here. Okay, now everyone can see everything. Sorry about that. So we've seen a fantastic level of growth in the crypto market, and the problem that we've seen here at Alpha Impact is that it's very challenging to know who to listen to. So our solution combines the ability to listen and follow and find a top trader, but the difference is, as you'll see in a few moments in our demo, all the top traders on our platform have actually linked their exchange account. And the reason they do this, it's not because they're great people and they want to share all their insights for free. It's because we charge a fee and we share that fee with the top trader. So finally, we've created a framework where top traders are incentivized to share what they're doing, and we share all of our revenue with our top traders. So if there's some top traders out there, this is going to be a fantastic tool for you to monetize the trading that you're doing and build a community. So let's talk a little bit about how we're unique in our unique selling proposition, as we like to sometimes call it. So one of the big things we've seen with some popular platforms like eToro is that they ask you to make a deposit in cash, and that tends to be great if you just want to have cash. But our customers have been very consistent telling us that they actually want to have crypto. Most people start with Bitcoin, they then buy Ethereum, and then they move on and buy and they want to do other things. They want to go do yield farming and change and go into exchanges and all kinds of different stuff. So one of the big things that we've seen with eToro and other marketplaces that are cash settled is that you actually never get the chance to withdraw your crypto. Another big point that we sometimes think about is the fact that we're non-custodial. So we thought about what is the easiest way that we could make Alpha Impact work for everyone in a way that doesn't require us to ask for trust. There's a lot of, let's just call them reputational risks in crypto. And there are a lot of companies, there's every few months we read about these in the newspaper, more often if we're paying attention, companies that are scams and they take investors' funds and then they sometimes disappear or sometimes take excessive risks. Our philosophy here is that we never want to take our customers' funds. What that means is that customers have their own exchange account, they keep funds in their own account, and they give us a limited access to that account through something called an API, where we can execute trades from the customer's account, but we can never touch their funds. So that's a really important differentiator for us. So we have a poll for our audience here. And what risk and returns are you looking to make? So just let us know in the comments. I'll let you know what I think. So are you personally considering your own investing style a high risk, high reward investor? Are you a moderate risk, high-ish reward investor, or a low risk or just okay reward investor? So let us know in the comments. We'll give you a few moments to respond. Looks like a mixed bag here. So I'll tell you the type of investor I am. I'm in the A bucket, high risk, high rewards. This has been a fantastic strategy over the past year and a half, and I think that part of being a trader is abandoning emotional decision making. And what I mean by that is that when the market is down, we have a tendency to feel very scared. We feel like maybe it's going to keep going down and I'm going to lose all my money, and we have a tendency to think about it like that. Risk mitigation takes over. And when the market's going up, we think, boy, I'm right. I did a great job with this and I just want to keep going and buy more. So it's important to actually do the opposite of that emotional inclination that we all have. So let's go forward and look at the next slide. We'll talk a little bit about what's coming next. So over the next month, we're going to be launching our copy trading products. That's happening in the first 2 weeks of November. We're also going to be launching, what's next? We have a 100K trading competition, which we're really excited about. So yeah, we've allocated $100,000 for a trading community. And the goal here is very simple. Our traders have said very clearly to us that they're motivated by one thing and one thing alone, which is earning cash. So we have $100,000 that we've allocated for our trading community. Our traders will have the ability to compete. It is a 1-month competition. The registration is open now. The prize pool for this competition is 10K, and then we kind of slowly grow up from there. So that's just one of the ways that traders get paid in the short term. We also have a trading volume bounty, which means that traders, when we launch our copy trading platform, which is just a few weeks away for the copy trading functionality, traders who have the most follower volume, the highest number of trades, will be basically getting this 50K pro rata based on how much they generate. So if you're a trader out there and you have a lot of followers, you're going to get a very large share of that $50,000, and that's a monthly recurring revenue stream. In the midterm, we're going to be monetizing two things. Number one, the copy trading, so we charge our customers a fee, and number two, we also will be charging a subscription to our customers. So this platform is a platform for top traders to earn money from two things: trading and building a following. So let's go to our next poll. Okay, we're going to a video. Sorry. Be right back. Watch the video. Fantastic. So our very next event that we're hosting is going to be our trading competition. So as I've mentioned, we've allocated $100,000 towards incentivizing top traders. 10K is up for grabs, and we're looking to work with top traders. So shortly, we're going to be showing a demo of the platform, and one of the functions that I'm going to be showing you on that demo is how to sign up for that competition, as well as what it actually looks like when you get there. So we're really excited to show you that very soon. So next, we actually have, and of course, the most important thing that we're excited about is our copy trading launch itself. So we've gone over that. So we have a poll that we're going to be going to in just a few moments, and then I'm going to be showing you a demo of the platform. So, uh, sorry, I just need to close this. Okay, so what holds you back from crypto trading? Is it the high risk? You don't know which platform to use. You don't know what or when to buy slash sell. So let me know. I'll tell you mine. I'm actually not afraid of risk. Platforms to use. Uh, Not sure about that. I think I know which platform to use. It's Alpha Impact, of course. Knowing what or when to buy or sell. I'm getting better at this, but it's taken me many years. And I think my vision is to try to help as many people as I can. So let's take a look at the, okay, we've got a C, a couple of C's. I have to agree that this is a major problem. So, okay, let's move forward. So next we have our walkthrough. So I'm going to be sharing my screen in just a moment here. Let me just prepare. Okay, sharing screen. Sorry, I'm just choosing the right window to share. Fantastic. So this is the Alpha Impact homepage. Okay, so this is the Discover tab of the Alpha Impact homepage. All of our top traders are found right here. So let's actually take a look at some of the top traders who are here. So in the last month, this is just some fantastic returns. We've seen people that are generating, congratulations to Shrifty, our top trader over the past month, 112%. This is a fantastic return. And I think, honestly, Shrifty, I'm spellbound. I think Shrifty's returns only last week were about half of this. So let's actually take a look and see what Shrifty is holding. So we could see the time-weighted return. And by the way, everyone, this is available. You can sign up now and get access to all of this. And as I've mentioned, it is currently free. It will not be free forever. But let's take a look and compare over the last 30 days to Bitcoin, to Ethereum, and it's just yeah, this is a crazy return. So let's see. This is it. Shiba Inu. Uh, I will actually tell the world a secret. Alpha Impact has just bought some Shiba Inu, so we have some of this ourselves. I can't say I know what's driving it. I think it's not a coin that has a lot of fundamentals, but it's something that looked great on the chart. So this trader, we can actually see on the Discover tab, is our top one over the past month. Second is 81%, and third is Real Archie with 53%. So you could actually see here, we've got some decent returns across this. Over the past month, we've got some great traders who have been generating risk-adjusted returns. Now, risk-adjusted returns are people who are generating a lot of risk in excess of what the market is returning. So risk-adjusted return is a slightly different way to look at it. What we're trying to figure out here is how much return are we generating considering the volatility or the risk of the underlying portfolio. So that's pretty decent. We can see here over the last week, there have been some fantastic returns, 22%. Let's go back. So Shrifty in first place with 35%, Deems 29%, and Frostek with 22%. Let's take a look at what this person is holding in their portfolio. So in this portfolio, what is in here? Phantom, USDT, Torn, Quick, and DYDX. These are great choices. So that is where you're going to find a lot of top traders. It's in this Discover section. So I think it's it's amazing, and frankly, I'm using some of these. I'm using this platform right now to copy trade. Chris was actually our top, if we actually look at his profile, he was our first ever trading competition winner. He made 41% in 2 weeks back in September, in a time when the market was actually down. So he's done a great job. So let's actually take a look at how easy it is to become a top trader. So before we do that, let's go take a look at our competition. So you can see here the prize pool is $10,000 for this competition. It's very exciting, and it's pretty easy to sign up. You just have to go here, you have to click a few buttons, and it doesn't take very long at all. Of course, to be a top trader on our platform, you need to link your exchange API key. So all you have to do is go to the linked portfolio section. It just takes a few moments, enter some details, make your API, make it public, and make your API key, enter your API key and your API secret, select your exchange, and boom, that's it. It just takes about a moment. And this API key and API secret comes from the exchange account. So we're integrated with Binance at the start, and we'll be launching with FTX again very soon. So let's actually go and take a look at the notification section. So this is a fantastic tool that we use, and you can actually get these sent to your phone or by email. And these are trade alerts. So you're actually seeing in real time. Uh, see, this Chris, he's saying his earlier post doesn't do Aave justice. So there's a lot of trading happening here, and we can actually see the trades that people are doing in real time. When copy trading is enabled in a few weeks, you'll be able to copy the exact trades that these people are doing on a real-time basis. And last but not least, let's take a look at the news feed. So it's just loading. I can go to following traders. Okay, well, what we'll do is we will share the link for you. I'm sorry, there seems to be some kind of a bug here. So we'll share the link for you. You can sign up and take a look at the platform. It is fantastically easy. You can find a top trader. The traders are all sharing. Let's actually take a look at Chris's profile. So he's posting comments. He's posting activities. Okay, not posting. So we'll come back to that one. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen. We'll go back to the presentation. Fantastic. So we have a $100 Litecoin giveaway. We're going to be giving $100 to someone who signs up for the platform in the next 24 hours. So all you have to do is head on over to the platform. It's very easy to sign up. It just takes a few moments. And we'll be giving away $100 worth of Litecoin. We'll be notifying you for once you log onto the platform, we'll notify the winner by email. So head on over. Let's share the link in the comments section, and we'll provide, and you have to use the code launch8 as your referral code. So launch8 as the referral code. So all you have to do is sign up and register. You have to, you have to link your API key. That's the most important thing. So go to Binance.com, get your API key, sign up for the platform, link your API key, and use the referral code launch8. So that's all you need to do. And in a few moments, we're going to be going to a networking session. We're going to be hosting that, I believe, on another platform, and that's going to be starting just in a few moments. Let me just check with the team here. Okay, we're going to be having the networking session right here. I'm going to go to our audience. We're going to take down the slides. we can go through a little bit of market analysis, and I can ask you guys for a little bit of feedback questions. So before I get started, I want to show, let me just say what I want to do is share a little bit of market updates just in terms of the price action we're seeing today. Before I do that, is there anything that anyone would like to discuss? Any questions that you'd like to ask? So just let us know in the comments here, and I'll be sure to get to that in just a moment. Okay, fantastic. So I am going to share my screen. Okay, BTC USD. Let's take a look. Okay. Okay, let us take a look at this chart. So a bit of macro. This is the weekly chart. So you've seen we've opened the week here, and we've actually come down. The normal cycle we see is, let's actually compare this to Ethereum in just a moment here. So Ethereum, here we go. So this is the daily. Bit of a messy chart, sorry about that. So this is the Bitcoin weekly. Let's go back and look at the Ethereum on the weekly. So it's been a similar trajectory with Ethereum, but Bitcoin, you can see, really took off around the week of the 27th of September. Ethereum also took off at that time, but it was a bit of a slower move up. And of course, Bitcoin, we're effectively just below all-time high. So we've seen here in April, we went up to 60-something thousand. We're now just turning the corner. Now, of course, it looks a little bit similar to here, but there's a lot of data supporting the fact that there's this bull market has a lot more legs to move up. Of course, one of the big things that I was looking at was an RSI divergence. So the RSI here peaked, and this is a momentum indicator, peaked back in January and decreased all the way down. And so by the time we actually got to the all-time high price, we were somewhere around, where were we here? We were at about 70. So you can see here, the momentum was decreasing while the price was increasing. Here, we've actually seen a recovery in the price, and we've seen a recovery in the RSI as well. So we're seeing healthy signs in terms of momentum that this is a little bit different to the last time. And so I think it's interesting to look at it that way. Let's zoom in and look at the 4-hourly. You know what? I'm going to get rid of some of these moving averages. It's a bit crowded. Let's just look at the numbers. So you could see Bitcoin topped out. Where do we get to? 66. And we've been slowly trending down ever since then. Of course, this is a normal cycle of events for crypto assets. We normally see Bitcoin move drastically up while alts stay sideways. Bitcoin then starts to go sideways as alts come up. So let's take a look at Ethereum. So you can see here a little bit different. So 20th of October to the 24th of October was red, whereas where are we here? We see the opposite to be true. So it's pretty much stayed flat for Ethereum. And then of course we've seen a recovery still ahead of where we were about a week ago, where Bitcoin is effectively flat. So that's the price action we're seeing on Bitcoin. I'll just come back and take a look at the comments in just a moment. Let me know if this makes sense, if anyone has any questions, comments, feedback. Let's take a look at the macro picture. Of course, some of these tokens make no sense to me. I mean, look at this 870,000% in one day. That's crazy. So the big move over the last little while, of course, has been Shiba Inu. And we bought this one quite a while ago. I bought some, actually, I've been swing trading it. But Shiba Inu has come from out of nowhere and is now the 11th largest. Of course, the big one in terms of market cap is going to be, can this surpass Dogecoin as Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency by market cap? So we've got roughly just under, it looks like about 43, 44% that if this price goes up, it will overtake Dogecoin. At that point, oops, sorry. At that point in time, it's really anyone's guess how far it could go. Although when you look at the top, above Dogecoin, all of these are actually tokens that have an ecosystem and utility. So you have to think that at some point Shiba Inu is going to ease off a little bit, but never underestimate the power of the bull. That's what I always say. So let's come back and take a look, see if there's any questions or comments. No, they're not. Fantastic, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining. Let's go to an open mic section right now. So if anyone has any questions about anything related to our platform, to the trading competition, or anything at all, just let us know. Otherwise, we'll sign off here. So I'll just give everyone a moment to put in questions if you have any. Otherwise, we'll sign off. So just a quick shout out to everyone. Don't forget to actually sign up for our platform. We have a $100 Litecoin giveaway. Now, of course, if you had $100 of Litecoin when Litecoin first came out, you would be a very wealthy person today. So go over to our platform, sign up. You can get a a beta account. And our trading competition is also up and running as well. So that's a $10,000 prize. We're very excited about that. So thank you very much, guys. It's great to have you with us this evening or this morning, depending on where you are in the world. We look forward to, so we've got, Chris, can you explain more about the monthly payments for the traders, the 50K? Yes, absolutely. So it's a 50K volume bounty. The activity we're trying to incentivize is we want traders who are creating volume, not their own trading volume, but our followers' trading volume. So the idea for us is that traders on our platform will have their own following. We want to give those traders an incentive to grow their following. When you think about the question, who is our customer is really the trader. This is a tool for traders to monetize what they're doing already beyond just doing the trades themselves. So the focus for us will really be on having traders build a following. And the metric that we're focused on at that stage is having traders who are generating a lot of follower transaction volume. So that's going to be the focus for that one. So the 50K will be allocated pro rata. We haven't formally announced this yet, so we're still ironing out the details. But the idea would be when copy trading launches, we have this 50K. It is a month by month subsidy that we're offering our traders, and it's distributed pro rata among the traders who generate the most volume in terms of follower volume. So if you, Chris, had 60% of the follower volume on our platform, that would mean that you would be generating 60% of the 50K, which of course would be 30K. Does that make sense? Awesome, fantastic. Thank you, Chris. Is there anyone else who has a burning question? Half Asian Soldier, great to see you. Great to have you with us. Ishan, questions at the end of the presentation? You asked right at the top. So yes, we're here to answer your question. Let us know if you have anything you'd like to discuss. And we're actually feeling pretty good about the market. So we think we've timed it pretty well, and we're very excited to be releasing our product. So thank you all for joining. Okay, guys, any last questions, comments, feedback, ideas, criticism, anything at all? Just let us know. Will the platform show yearly performance as well as just monthly? I believe it will. I think there's a case to be made, Chris, for showing yearly performance. We're toying with all kinds of different time periods, so we probably won't get into the second by second chart. But on the home screen, I think it's already there. There's a 12-month bucket. But I understand what you're asking. Chris, you're asking for, there's 3 little blurbs that pop up. So I believe that we can fit something in. I think the metric probably that I would go with, Chris, is all time, not yearly. But I think it makes a lot of sense for us to have that long-term, have a long-term indicator there. So yes, absolutely. I don't want to commit to it just yet, but we will have something, yeah. Only on the profile it shows the yearly. Yeah, so we'll have some kind of a longer term bucket there for sure. Great question. Thanks for joining, Chris. And big shout out to Chris, who is our first competition winner, first and only ever competition winner. Well, he will be the first ever competition winner. So, Chris, we see that you've signed up for the next competition. Really excited to have you with us. Your performance is looking great. So, I don't know how you feel about Shiba Inu, but we're certainly excited for the volatility over the next few months. Okay, Chris, Ishan, Henry, Theo, Barefoot / Half Asian Soldier, Maine. Let me know if you have any other questions. Your prediction was a week late. Well, make your next one a bit earlier then. I'm keen to hear your prediction for the next little while. So I'll be watching for the hashtag prediction on the Alpha Impact platform. Fantastic. Thanks so much, guys. We're really happy to have you here with us. Don't forget to sign up. Let's copy that link into the chat. And we'll see you next week. I think we can resume our normal Wednesday AMAs. So we'll be back next Wednesday at some point between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. UTC. Oh, okay. There's a question here. I arrived late, so maybe I missed it. Access the free copy trading access and free tier access. We use the link with the above promo code. So let me just go through your question. So what you have to do to win the $100 of Litecoin is to sign up using the above promo code. So that's the benefit for using the promo code above. Copy trading access, I'm not sure we're going to offer free copy trading. We will offer it for the first few users in the first few weeks who sign up. So if you sign up today, yes, you'll get a short period of free copy trading access. Absolutely. So Chris, what is the benefit of referring users with your referral code? So we're actually building, and when we launch the copy trading, we'll be, oh, just a moment. So the benefit of referring users with your referral code is going to be that you can generate revenue. So the whole idea for us is that we want to A, give our traders a slice of the pie, and B, provide a referral bonus. So we're working through, we have an announcement to make. We're not ready to make it just yet, but we will be making an announcement, and it will be something along the lines of, you might even say a fixed amount per person that signs up and links their API key. So the types of users that we're looking to onboard are the users who are actually doing copy trading, linking their API key. So that's the specific type of user that we're looking to. And of course, we would share fees, and we will share upside with our traders who onboard users. Do current traders have pro access already? Everyone has pro access today. Everyone in the beta who has signed up, who will sign up over the next, I think, few days, will get access to the pro. The difference is that will be cut off very soon. So as I said at the top, this is free today. If you want to use it, you're always welcome to check it out. And Chris, I've been following your trades, so thank you so much for being part of the ecosystem. So have I covered your question, David and Chris, and is there anything else? All righty, thank you guys. Okay, we're waiting. Eventually, yes. Oh, I see. Current traders will have to pay a fee as well. That's a great question, and I look forward to getting back to you on that. I would imagine if you're generating a certain amount of volume on our platform, we would want to make sure that you got pro access. But let me come back to you with a firm answer on that, Chris. I try not to make these things up on the fly. People tend to want to be. We try to make these decisions as a team. So we have not specifically looked at that, or if we have, I don't have the answer in front of me today. Fantastic. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to sign up for our platform. Thank you for your time. Chris, David, Ishan, Looks like we've got quite a few viewers. Henry, Amanda, Half Asian Soldier, Maine, everyone else who's joined us, very happy to have you here. And we're looking forward to seeing you on Alpha Impact. Don't forget to sign up for the 10K trading competition. That is the shrimp trading competition with a $10,000 prize. The beta is open. You could sign up. We're going to share the link in just a moment on the chat here, and that'll be in the comments. And it's all free for now, baby. It's not going to stay free, though. So if you want to get access, take a sneak peek and get in while you can. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a fantastic rest of your evening, morning, wherever you are in the world today, and we'll see you soon. Thanks so much. We'll see you next week.